Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your new favorite carnivore air fried snack. In a carnivore diet, you're looking for some variety. You don't want to keep eating the same thing. This is such a great go-to that you can make in the air fryer, and it is super, super easy. Let's jump right in. I have some 90% lean, 10% fat ground beef. You can also use 85% lean, 15% fat. I don't recommend using the 80-20 because we are going to be putting cheese and bacon into the ground beef. I also have some mild cheddar. You can use mozzarella or whatever kind of cheese preference you want. And I have some thick cut bacon that I have cut into half of a strip. Also, I'm gonna be using some salt. If you're gonna be doing a keto or animal-based version of this recipe, you can add whatever other seasonings you would normally add to your ground beef if you're making like a burger or a meatball, but I'm just gonna be using salt since this is purely carnivore. To my ground beef, I'm gonna first add some salt, and we are just going to mix this all together, get some salt into the meat. I'm gonna take some of my ground beef, and we're gonna form it into a meatball. I'm gonna divide this meat into 4 even pieces. We're just dividing out the meat right now. You don't have to actually form it into the ball. I'm now gonna take my ground beef and I'm going to flatten it out and create kind of a pocket in the middle. I'm gonna take some of my cheese, place it right in the middle, and cover the ground beef completely around the cheese. You wanna make sure there are no open pockets, no cheese poking out. Do that for all of your ground beef. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video. You also don't have to form this into a perfect ball. I'm kind of doing an elliptical shape. It really doesn't matter. However you've cut your cheese, that's how you can make the shape. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to wrap our ground beef in a strip of bacon. I'm gonna take the bacon and I am just literally going to wrap it around the ground beef. I don't like to do a double layer of wrapping. Sometimes when you use the whole piece of the bacon, it does that, but really whatever your preference is. I like to just have that nice crispy bacon outside when I cook these, which is why I only like to use 1 layer. I'm gonna take it and wrap it around. And what I mean by 1 layer is just like this. There's no overlap. It's just wrapped in a single layer around the ground beef. Our bacon wrapped cheese stuffed meatballs are ready to go into the air fryer tray. I'm just gonna take them and put them in the air fryer tray. Don't overlap them, just put them next to each other without touching. Once they're in, they're gonna look like this. We're gonna put this in a 2-step process. So first, you're gonna throw it into the air fryer at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. That's going to cook the meat. And then you're gonna set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an extra 5 to 10 minutes to let that bacon crisp up. And here are our delicious air fried, bacon wrapped, cheese stuffed meatballs. So amazing. The bacon is super, super crispy and inside is nice and cheesy and melty. I cannot wait to do a taste test. Cheers. I couldn't show you guys a cheese pull with the last one, but take a look at this melty, delicious cheese. So much flavor and such a great alternative if you're tired of eating steak or you want a little bit of a change from just having scrambled eggs or ground beef. This is so, so delicious, really easy in the air fryer. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.